Well, tonight you're in for a treat. We're going to do a real-time cooking of a pizza in the wood oven. So you get to watch it cook. How's everybody doing tonight? Hope everybody's having a great evening. Hey, I want to put an idea out there, by the way. Next week, let's call it Just for Nothing Week. For your significant other or somebody that means something to you in your life, just go get them some flowers, roses, go get them a candy. Just something neat, just for nothing, just to let them know how important they are to you. This is moving right along. Starting to brown on the bottom a little bit. Got to keep rotating it so it stays. Excuse all the background noise. I got the neighbor kids and the next door neighbor's house is getting remodeled. So look at that. Little bubble raising up right there in the middle. Bottom's looking great. By the way, that is a barbecue chicken pizza with ham and pineapple. A little bit of that on the side, so it's kind of a combo. And there you go. Funny story, 2 minutes ago, it was dead silent out here. That's just the way things go. Anyway, everybody, I hope you have a good evening tonight. And remember, Just for Nothing Week. Have a good one.